How to add your team to your enterprise account. In RPAS Wilco, both admins and super users share the same abilities. The key difference is that the admin is the main account holder who manages billing and payments. A super user has every other ability, like adding pilots, drones, and setting up missions. It's the second highest account level, usually given to managers. Now that you understand the difference, let's add your team as an admin. Click Configurations, and then Users. On the right, you'll see the Add button. This is how you add users under the enterprise plan. Enter in your team members' information. Only pilots count as paid seats, but you can assign them additional roles like payload operator or visual observer. Click Save to add your member. Only pilots and super users will receive invites to set up their accounts. After clicking Save, your team member will be added. Now, let's go over how a team member joins. Your team member will receive an email. They need to click Activate My Account and use the temporary password provided in the email to log in. Once logged in, they can go to their profile and change their password. Once that's done, their account is all set.